3, 2, 1, blast off! Oh my god, it's raining marshmallows!
That's a bad idea.
There we go. Okay,
Alex?
no, I'm gonna go next. You can go after me, kid.
Oh no, Alex!
Go! Oh, okay, no, you're doing it.
Can I hold it?
Oh!
Okay, this is a big mess. We have to clean this up right now.
Oh, God. Oh! Just Dragon Guy 51, please subscribe. It's a land of marshmallows! It's going to take like 5 years to clean up.
Yeah, when you're not helping.
Yeah.
I'm just recording this. It's so cool.
Shut up. Yeah, shut up. Idiot.
The Dragon Guy 51. Wasn't it awesome? Anyway, please subscribe, comment, give a thumbs up. Anyway, tell us what you want us to do next. I think me and the other Alex are going to do how to teleport next. Okay? Anyway, peace out, YouTube.